In a quiet little village surrounded by rolling green hills, there was an old, forgotten garden hidden behind a crumbling stone wall. The villagers whispered about it, saying it had once been a place of magic, where flowers bloomed in colors unseen and wishes came true for those who believed. But over time, people stopped visiting, and the garden faded into silence. One summer morning, a little boy named Ali wandered past the old wall. Unlike others, he wasn't afraid of forgotten things. He loved mysteries and believed that even the loneliest places held stories waiting to be heard. With a gentle push, he opened the rusty gate and stepped inside. What he saw took her breath away. Though the garden was overgrown with vines and wildflowers, there was something enchanting about it. Butterflies flitted through the air, and tiny golden fireflies glowed under the shade of ancient trees. In the center of the garden stood an old stone fountain, dry and covered in ivy. As Sally approached, he noticed a message carved into the stone: "Whisper a wish with a true heart, and the garden will listen." Curious, Ollie knelt beside the fountain, closed his eyes and whispered, "I wish for this garden to bloom again, to be filled with light and laughter." The moment his words faded into the air, a soft wind rustled through the trees. The dry fountain bubbled with fresh, crystal clear water. Flowers awakened from their slumber, unfolding their petals in a rainbow of colors. The entire garden seemed to sigh with relief, as if it had been waiting for someone to believe in its magic again. The villagers, seeing the sudden burst of beauty, gathered in awe. They realized that the magic had never truly disappeared. It had only been waiting for someone with a kind heart to bring it back to life. From that day on, the secret garden was no longer forgotten. Children played among the flowers, elders sat beneath the shade of golden trees, and every visitor who entered felt a spark of wonder in their hearts. And as for Ollie, he learned that sometimes the most magical things in the world are the ones we choose to believe in.